Hello, my name is Kimutai Silas and I want to take you through cattle production. And I will start by introduction where say dairy cattle, also referred to as dairy cows, are cattle bred for the ability to produce large quantities of milk from which dairy products are made. Dairy cattle generally are of the species Bos Taurus. Historically, little distinction was made between dairy cattle and beef cattle, which, with the same stock, often being used for both meat and milk production. Today, the bovine industry is more specialized and most dairy cattle have been bred to produce large volumes of milk. We have some common terms used in dairy management. Number one is calf. A calf is a young one of a cow from birth to 6 months of age. We have a heifer, that is a female calf from the age of puberty to calving. We have a bull or a sire. It's a male calf from the age of puberty to castration, which is fit for servicing. We have a bullock, is a castrated bull used for walking or plowing. We have a scrap bull, a bull which is not having good progeny record or an undescriptive bull. We have a breeding bull, is a bull which is maintained for the purpose of breeding and is having good progeny record. We have a teaser bull. A teaser bull is a caudectomized bull that is after curelectomy operation, which is used in the herd to detect the animals in heat. We have a cow, is a female or a heifer after first calving. We have a cow or a milk cow or a wet cow, is a cow which gives milk. We have a dry cow. A dry cow is a cow which has stopped producing milk. We have colostrum. Colostrum is the milk produced by a cow after calving. We have the continuation and lactation is the period between the parturition or delivery and calf to stoppage of milk secretion of a cow. We have gestation period, is the duration of a pregnancy. We have culling. Culling is a process in which the unwanted or unproductive or uneconomic animals are removed from the herd or farm. This is done for economic reasons. We have oestrus cycle or heat period, is the period during which the female animal accepts the male for coitus or servicing and conception takes place. We have artificial insemination, AI. It is the introduction of semen into the female genital tract by means of instrument. We have servicing. Servicing is mating of bull and a cow in heat. We have a free mating. This is when twin calves of opposite sex are born to a cow. The female twin is known as a free mating. It may not be fertile and its ability to reproduce is very minimal. We have a field. A field is the meat of a calf. We have a cryptokid, a male animal whose one testicle did not descend from the abdomen, hence has only one testicle. We have another subtopic. We have breeds of dairy cattle. A breed is a race or variety related by descent and similarity in certain distinguishable characteristics. More than 250 breeds of cattle are recognized throughout the world. In Africa, there are two main races of cattle. We have Bos indicus and we have Bos taurus. The two races can crossbreed and the crosses can be very productive both in terms of growth rates for beef, improved milk production as well as disease resistance. Kenya is a home to a wide range of cattle genotypes within the East and Central Africa region. Kenya has the highest number of exotic dairy cattle. As for indigenous breeds, Kenya also ranks high with Ethiopia and Sudan topping the list of African countries with the highest population of indigenous cattle breeds. Number one breed is the Frisian breed, and that is the picture of a Frisian breed. So the exact origins of the breed are difficult to determine, but it is known that in the 18th century, herds of small black and white cattle were brought into northern Holland and Friesland from North Jutland to replace animals that had fallen victim to disease, flooding. These animals were crossed with existing Dutch cattle and formed the basis of the Frisian. The modern Frisian is preeminently a grazing animal, well able to sustain itself over much lactation on both low-lying and upland grassland, being developed by selective breeding over the last 100 years. Some outstanding examples of the breed have 12 to 15 lactation to their credit, emphasizing their inherent natural fecundity. In response to demand, protein percentage have been raised across the breed and had protein level of 3.4% to 3.5% are not uncommon. The typical characteristics include purpose, which the purpose is milk production, potential yield 40 to 50 liters a day, average body size is 500 to 550 kilograms. The description is black and white, short-haired coats, short horns. The next breed is the Ayrshire breed, and that is the picture of the Ayrshire breed. The Ayrshire breed originated from the county of Ayr in Scotland prior to 1800. The breed was introduced to Kenya in 1908 from South Africa. It has been developed over the last century through inputs of bloodlines from Britain, South Africa, Sweden, New Zealand, Canada, and United States of America. Kenya Ayrshire cattle breeders emphasize on medium cow balanced for type, production, longer life, and fertility. Ayrshire population in Kenya is estimated to be over 1.2 million, of which nearly 30,000 are registered. Their typical characteristics include the purpose. The purpose is for milk production. We have potential yield is 30 liters a day. Average body size for the large is 450 kilograms. We have the Jersey breed, and that is a picture of the Jersey breed. Despite considerable research, nothing definite is known as to the actual origin of the cattle first brought to Jersey Island. Most research agrees that the Jersey probably originated from the adjacent coast of France, where in Normandy and Brittany cattle resembling Jersey are found. We have the characteristics. Number one, purpose is for milk production. Average yield is 22 liters a day with a fat content of 6.3%. The average body size for the small one is 350 kilograms. The description of the Jersey cow. Number one, Jersey in Kenya are typically light brown in color, though this can range from being almost gray to dull black. We have number two, they have protruding eyes. Number three, this breed is well known for milk with high quality. It is particularly richer in proteins, minerals, and trace elements than those from large dairy breeds. We have number four, milk production potential is moderate, 20 liters a day. Number five, has the highest milk production record of 12,138 liters in 305 days from this breed has been reported in Canada with 6.4% butterfat content. We have the dual purpose breeds, and this picture is for a Sahiwal bull. We have the characteristics. The first one, purpose, is for meat and milk production. The description has a body color is solid brown. Average body size for the large one is 350 to 400 kilograms. Advantages, number one is that they are docile. Number two, they are good breeders for marginal areas. Milk has high butterfat content of 4.8%. Their disadvantage is milk production potential is low, of 10 kilograms a day. They are difficult breeders, most mating at night. Another dual purpose breed is the Borana cow. We have the characteristics. Number one, purpose is for meat and milk production. The description: body color is solid brown to light gray or mottled. Average body size medium is 350 to 400 kilograms. Advantage: they are docile. Milk has high butterfat content of 4.8%. They are good breeders for marginal areas. Their disadvantage is milk production potential is low of 10 kilograms a day. They are difficult breeders, most mating at night. Thank you and God bless you.